Magic is real if you are brave enough to try it. And if it's too late for you to study at a school of witchcraft and wizardry, you can just learn some easy tricks. I think Lily's up to something. She decided to eat some dry spaghetti for no reason. It's just a prank. She shows her hand to Jane. Can you check if it's okay? My hand really hurts. A real friend won't say no. What's that? Why are your joints so crunchy? Looks like Lily has some kind of terrible disease. Her bones are shattering at the slightest touch. Is this really the end? And to be more convincing, you may as well faint. Oops! Lily didn't chew all the pasta. There's evidence. So that's why your bones were so crunchy. Nice try. Magicians use assistants sometimes. A couple of friends, some levitation skills, and a beautiful prank is ready. That's impossible! There's nothing underneath. So how is she holding them? Is levitation real? Hey, do you believe in magic yet? My legs are already tired. Girls, my arms are getting tired too. Let's go. So here's the secret. Bricks and a board. That's where the magic comes from. Wow, it looked so real. Jane decided to surprise Lily with an awesome ukulele solo. She's singing too? Oh no, not again! Oh, Jane! She's totally tone deaf! Take a break, Jane. Let me show you a trick. Take 2 spoons. Put them together. Look, real magic! The spoons are sticking to each other. They are holding on tight. You can even twist them. But you can't fool Jane that easily. Yeah, here's the trick. A magnet on the handle? I can do that too. That's smart. See? You are better at tricks than at playing the ukulele. It'd be nice to surprise Lily with a trick. Oh, I got one! Look, Lily, a vanishing trick. Boom! You see that? I'm missing 3 fingers. Of course, Lily could do better, but even she seems impressed. It's easy to do this trick. Bend your fingers like this and cover the empty space of fingers with the other hand. Looks pretty realistic. Jane, hurry up! I learned another finger trick. It's all in the movements. No funny business. Jane seems confused. Oops, it's not working. The trick wasn't as simple as that. Lily decided not to torture her friend for too long. Place the finger of the right hand on the right nostril and the finger of your left hand on the left nostril. But do it with your hands crossed. Then just move them to the sides. The original position of the hands confuses the viewer. And now you can make some extra money. Call your friends. Show them the trick and ask them to try it. I think they are confused by the fingers. You can reveal the secret, of course, but there's a price to pay. Did you get it from the first time? Tell us in the comments. Jane lost her favorite shirt again. She needs it today. Oh, come on! Lily's the one who took her favorite shirt, and she seems determined. She decided that if she can't have it, nobody will. There we go! Goodbye, shirt! You can't put it on with a hole like that. But Lily has a secret solution. Voila! And there's no hole! But how? It's simple! It's an illusion! Turns out she wasn't cutting her shirt. She was cutting a piece of black fabric. Phew! Okay, the shirt is fine. Well, at least you don't have to fight over chips. There's enough for everyone. Besides, Jane doesn't waste food. Everything she's eating goes back, just like that. Doesn't look very nice. But if you do this, a pack of chips can be endless. And the trick is very simple. Put your hand in the pack. Take out one chip and hide the other in the palm of your hand. Eat it and then take the hidden chip out of your palm. No magic, it's just a trick. Magic behind a screen is tons of fun. What did Jane come up with this time? Oh wow, a flying spoon? Yeah, real magic. Or just the power of thought. Who came up with this design? Well, there's a trick. It's not the power of your mind, but your hands. Put a spoon between the fork tines. Hold the fork and cover yourself with the screen. And then move your thumb, just so no one notices. That's smart! Lily, get off your phone already! Look at my new magic trick! There's an arrow and a circle on my finger. I shake my hand, and boom! Now it's a completely different pattern. Lily is very suspicious. She can figure out any trick. The main thing is to get a good look at your friend's fingers. That's the trick. There are two drawings on the finger at once. At the right moment, you just need to turn your finger a little. That's a great trick! We should post it online now. Ironing clothes isn't always boring, especially if you decide to prank your friend. Just get behind the ironing board. It looks like Lily's ironing her own legs. And Jane fell for the visual illusion. I think she got scared. In a situation like this, you need to look like you are ignoring whatever weird stuff is going on. Of course, the truth will come out sooner or later, but the first impression is unforgettable. Hey, what are you doing? Millions of people can't solve the mystery of one trick. Jane can be intriguing. Look, this is the mystery of the century. Stand up straight. Put your palm against the wall. Now rub your elbow and back against the wall. See? The palm can't reach the wall anymore. Try it and see for yourself. It's true! Lily did the same thing. The palm doesn't reach the wall, even though it should. Try it 10 times. Always the same result. It's all about tilting the body. Everyone moves a little off the wall without noticing after touching their elbow. That's the trick, but it works on everyone. Even cold-blooded Lily can be scared, and her friend managed to do it. This time, Jane decided to fly in a chair. Looks a little spooky. That's impressive, but how did she do it? Oh, I see! Jane made fake legs. She attached them to her sweater and sat them down in a chair. It looks really cool. A person who doesn't know the trick might end up believing in magic. When there's a black hole in your wallet, you can get some money from your friend. Try to figure out this trick. Watch and learn. This jar feels like it's stuck to my hand. It's not falling. I'm holding it with my mind. And I get a tip for solving the trick. Look, it's simple. I need the palm of my hand to be sucked a bit into the concave bottom of the jar. Move it from the wrist to the middle of the palm. Okay, the jar is staying up. No magic, just physics. Untangling yarn can be really boring. It's time for a little distraction. Lily has an interesting trick in her mind. Look how strong I am. I'm tearing it with my fingers. But wait, there's more. I'll connect them again, without a single knot. I can do it forever. That's impossible. How? Oh, I see! The yarn was torn from the beginning. It's just that Lily put her fingers on the rip. Unwind some more yarn and I'll practice. Lily's working on a new trick. You are going to need a bottle of water and a tangerine on a stick. You can use a regular pencil. The tangerine obviously won't fit in the bottleneck, but a little magic can't hurt. A couple of spells and it's in the bottle. And for those who don't believe it was magic, show them the wet tangerine. It was really in the water. Jane can't be fooled that easily. You forgot to show everyone you made a hole in the bottle beforehand. Now you have to think of a new trick. This one's been exposed. Did you like our tricks and illusions? Which of these magical tricks did you want to impress your friends with? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new tricks from Troom Select.